In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Pinterest. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. I made this commission in the month of May, this month, okay? From the first day of May until the day 26th of May, I made $15,525. So for people who are interested to start Pinterest affiliate marketing business, make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, so first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's really super easy. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, just come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying a good commission, guys, not like other affiliate marketing businesses. Okay, anyway, so just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard account. Okay, so I will share with you guys now new Fiverr affiliate link that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the search for Pinterest ads. Okay, search for Pinterest ads. Okay, so why I choose this service? Because people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to buy this service. People who want to grow their Pinterest account, grow their businesses on Pinterest, they will be interested to use Pinterest ads service. Okay, so always make sure to choose services related to Pinterest. Okay, so search for Pinterest ads, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have a lot of reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, people keep coming back. This seller has 6 orders in queue. People are still buying this service. So people who are always keep saying some really stupid comments, this business is not working, people are not buying these services. Why this seller has 6 orders in queue? Why this seller has a lot of reviews? Do you see how many orders this seller has sold? How many people already buy this service from this seller? Do you see this? And those are people who leave reviews, because a lot of people don't leave reviews, they just buy the service and that's it. You see how many people are buying this service? Which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has Pinterest accounts, people who are interested to grow their Pinterest account. Anyway, just go back to the seller profile page, okay, like this, and you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments, post back, sub affiliate. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link. Put this seller profile link here. Okay, click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. So first, for people who don't have Pinterest account, let me show you. Guys, just go to Google, search for Pinterest. It's super easy. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And make sure to create Pinterest business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Why we choose to promote our affiliate links on Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest, guys, has 1 billion monthly visitors? Millions of people are using Pinterest every single day. Millions of people are scrolling on Pinterest, searching for services, searching for products, and that's why we choose to promote our services on Pinterest. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Okay, anyway, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his video. You need to save this video to your laptop. Double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop like this. I'm gonna name it, for example, ads. Click on save, and here you go. Go to Pinterest, click over here, because video is better than pictures. Video can converge better. Okay, it's not like pictures. Watching video explaining the service is better than just seeing a picture. So make sure to choose sellers who has videos. Okay, it's really better. Click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Pinterest. You need title, you need description, and you need to put your affiliate link here. So let's start with the title. Go back to the seller profile page and copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest, put this title here. Description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this one about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part to show you guys how we can do it. Copy this description. You can also make this description short. You can create your own description if you want, if you know how to do it, or you can just copy this description. It's easy. Okay, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to this Fiverr affiliate account. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Scroll down. You should have, so let me explain, guys. So for people who just created their Fiverr affiliate account, you guys will not have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. So for you guys, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Okay, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. It's super easy, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one, Fiverr affiliate. I will scroll down, and you need to put here tags or keywords related to this service. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down like this. So you should see this one, related tags. Copy those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, like this. Pinterest ads, I will copy this one. Make sure to use all those keywords. They are very important. And after you finish, click over here on publish. And here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Your service will be published on Pinterest. It's really super easy, guys. Okay, let me see. Here you go. Your service will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, so that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. That's how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing business with $0 just by using free traffic. Choose services that are related to Pinterest, promote those services. You need to grow your Pinterest account. It's not easy. Yes, it's not easy, but it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Okay, you just need to stay consistent. I already got a lot of message in my email, in the comments, from people who already got their commissions. I'm really happy to hear that, to hear this, guys. I'm really happy for that, for those people. Keep working, guys, and never stop, never give up. Keep promoting those services, keep doing more research, see which services are trending, use services that are trending, grow your Pinterest account, and start promoting those services using free traffic. You can really make a lot of money if you stay consistent. Okay, and for people who are saying, I tried this business for 1 week, 1 month, and I didn't get commission, it's not working. You guys, it's not the problem is not the business. The business model is clear. Okay, the problem is you are just not patient enough. Okay, you I don't know, you do you think you will start this business? I show you the method. Okay, but if you start doing this method, you will not, of course, you can't get commission overnight. You will start today and you want to make commission tomorrow. So you want to make money quickly, and that's not working. In all online businesses, they took time, guys. Okay, even if you go and start any uh I don't know, any other businesses. Maybe you go and start e-commerce, for example, or start drop shipping, or start like freelancing. There are a lot of businesses. Do you think you will make money if you start today? Tomorrow you will make money? Of course not. It's not. It doesn't work like that. Okay. You need to stay consistent. You need to learn. You need to learn sales. You need to learn marketing. You need to learn how you can talk with customers, how you can promote your affiliate links, and so much more. Get more information. Okay, you guys are just not patient enough. Okay, so what the differences between you and people who already got commission? People who got commission, they stay consistent, they never quit, they keep doing more research, keep learning. That's why they got commission. But for you, you just need, you don't see, you start today, for let's say for example even 1 month. Okay, you started, you will not see results and you will quit. You think that the business is not working, and the problem is you. Okay, you guys need to stay stay consistent. Okay, and that's it. Also, I'm guys working on a course, an affiliate marketing course, about this business, about Fiverr affiliate marketing, that will cover everything. Okay, I'm putting a lot of time in this course to make it very easy and simple for everyone. Okay, for beginners, for people who already made commission, and for everyone. Okay, I'm adding new methods. I'm still doing a lot of research to find new ways for you guys that will help you to earn commission without spending any money in ads, and so much more. Okay, so the course will be really ready very soon. I will keep you guys updated in my YouTube channel, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Stay consistent, keep working hard, and see you in my next videos.